Hello everyone, welcome to Parliament SEO YouTube channel, and in this video we will be discussing SEO mistake number 4, which is ignoring structured data markup. So if you're following us, we are uploading a SEO mistake to avoid daily on our YouTube channel, and in these and our goal is to upload 100 videos about 100 SEO mistakes which are most common. And remember, these are driven from our past experiences with clients in different sectors and in different industries. So if you are already doing one of these mistakes, then you should know in all these videos where and how to avoid. And some SEO mistakes require a very detailed video or very detailed guidance in themselves. So it's not possible to cover them in a short video format like this. So you could obviously use one of the links in description to reach out to us. We'll be obviously very eager to help you out in your SEO journey and in your SEO campaigns. So ignoring structured data markup, first we need to discuss what is structured data markup. So structured data markup, these are kind of markups, these are kind of tags, or what should I say, like it's kind of some code that you put in your website backend, which help search engines understand your content better. So if you neglect it, it may result in missed opportunities like search engine. It's I always refer to it like spoon feeding Google or any other search engine. So for example, this is a page, this is the heading. So what I can do is I can mark up is a heading, and for example, this is body of the content. Then I can mark it up is body of the content, and then there is an author. So for example, it's written by Deepak. Then I could say Deepak is the author of that this content, and who is Deepak? Then I can link out to his other profiles like Facebook, YouTube, or other profiles, or his publication in some other big websites. I can mark up that as well. So it's a kind of spoon feeding, telling Google that this is the heading, this is the body, this is the author, this is the widget or something like that. So you are kind of marking up the whole page. You are telling the search engines the scheme, the hierarchy of the whole page, like how many headings do you have, how much content do you have, and who is the author of that page, who is the publisher, and where could you find more about the publisher. So it's a kind of marking up each and every bits and pieces of the content for better understanding of the search engines. So it's really important. I have myself personally seen really good results, specifically with indexing as well. Like it really helps you with indexing as well, because over the years it's been very difficult to index your content, specifically if it's not that much quality content. Then structured data markup can help you with that as well. Plus it can grab you some real estate in the SERPs as well, like on search engine results pages as well. So is SEOs or maximum, like we try to grab maximum real estate on search engine result pages. So with these markups you could gain maximum and maximum. So if you have prepared your code, you can put it in the back end of your page and then test that code as well using structured data markup validator tool by schema.org. So we will put the links in the description to that tool as well. But if you are unsure how to create a code and how to test it properly and how to put it in the back end of your website, you could obviously reach out to us by the links in the description, or you can just search for Perliman and Google, and you will be redirected to our website perliman.com. You could just click on that result and have a consultancy with us. So yeah, that's it about it. I hope you learned something new today, and if this video was helpful for you, remember to press the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well, because we are on a mission to upload a video daily that would tell you about SEO mistakes that you need to avoid each and every day. Thank you for your time. Bye.